Yenyi Mohammed. Is that what they are trying to tell us? Omanhene, you were 3 arms of government too. Na no more compare Charlotte say to a mami to kono na mawusuiti. And you have lawyers saying same, justifying it. Say Charlotte say ye no. Ah, Lori Talamte, on your head of a constitutional body, and your mama start here. Okay, you were Edward Mai. Former Auditor General 2009. Yeah. And you're in this in a start here. A Kufuado Aba. What you Charlotte say? What you demoluvu? Nankano crown young fan say, and no would and Kaye. Also about the reset Ghana. Is it the resetting that you are doing? Okay. And Omanhene. And this said, Moyano. Media making in say. Yet, dear, mammy to go no me, mammy, and Kamana resign. Dear Bessie be your master. But a son of Mutatuano. There's you know. And this is you know. And I see a baby be as you know. Such as see an NDC office be organ her political. Enti, wow, Baby, CJ Biano, you should bear in mind. Say your tenure of office is coterminous with the tenure of the president. Hey. And that is the fact. Your tenure of office as a CJ is coterminous with the tenure of the president. As simple as president that. And how who crash out better and the way by and what they knock up baby atna. Why resign? Why resign? Because then where is Public Service Commission? And call for what you mama their public servants say yes you madi. Without recourse to the law. But that's a man. And even teachers crown will be bored in the Baba. Okay, but 2 minutes now. One time. I said definitely. I was so money. Nadia Biona said, I'm Bruce. Mavintil now. Zinabu and this way. No, my borrow 2 minutes. The ambassador Mikandi answer. We need some more kind one chere the constitution can wire politics, but of course, here. But Omanhene make a chance on kind SIB report now about the murder of the trade justices. And yet, NDC for Nikokun, the trade justices. But Omanhene, the American don't even go there. American, and I JJ Johnson and JJ Bewu. JJ Nankasa, may say it was an error. How can you say NDC? Omanhene, the American, time and also, Omanhene John Dramani Mama or the Constitution in Bayajuma. Okay. Say all kind of car, say Omanhene John Dramani Mama. Constitution now original independence SOS oba bon ho ban no watie tiaso a nka menen ba ya adwene wanya ba kokora anka oh no betima na wanya ba ko anka de mesere say jai ma constitution no oh nya problem ya sani ya adwuma enora no enya adwuma enne da Omanhene de meka no but Omanhene omampanyi mama so hunu se ebe albatross on his neck. Say he is the first person under the Fourth Republic. He's the first president where he chief justice. The constitution. All right. I was your former the movie you have now. So we are so interested. I was your former